Bulldogs as well. They show sportsmanship. Let's be sure to get the hand on this.
Snap. Mangus takes the ball up the left side. Has a roll on the left. Breaks the tackle. Going down the left sideline. We're hitting the end zone. Touchdown, Jade Mangus. Well, make sure we get a hand of both teams for great sportsmanship. And that will end our football game. What a great way to end the game.
We won, Daddy?
Yes, we did.
So it's over?
Game 5, bud.
Hi, Sissy.
Woo!
Good run, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Hey, go lead us real quick. Go lead us. Don't lead us off. Good job, Gabe.
Good job, baby.
You're going in. I don't know if I want to.
Well, he's fast.
Game, guys. Game, guys. Play, guys. Game.
Good job.
Cheerleaders, go cheerleaders.